Placerville traffic, Cessna 00 Papa is departing 23 to the southwest, Placerville.
Got everyone jumpers away on 3,000 below, Cloverdale.
Southwest traffic, Cessna 0 Echo Romeo, 3 or 4 miles west of the field, inbound. Southwest traffic.
Rancho Murrieta traffic, 24 Zulus, 12 to the west looking for traffic advisories, Rancho Murrieta. Yeah, I just took off the Rancho Murrieta, the twin Cessna from Tango Mike. 22-2 is active and pretty calm. 22 is active, say, Rancho Murrieta? Yes, affirmative, 22 is active. Thank you! Skyhawk, 446 Alpha Fox, inbound.
Airline 05 Foxtrot, contact Oakland Center, 127.95. 127.25? 127.95. 95, Roger, thanks. Flight 8000, contact Mato Tower, 120.65.
120.65, I'm fly 8000.
Good afternoon, NORCAL, Cessna 850 Sierra Papa, request.
Cessna 850 Sierra Papa, NORCAL approach.
Cessna 850 Sierra Papa is at 4,300, climbing to 6,500 just off Placerville. Would like a VFR flight following to Palo Alto via Sinol, please.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, state type Cessna.
173 Skyhawk.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, squawk 0347.
0347 for 0 Sierra Papa.
NORCAL approach, 414 Tango Mike, sir. I just took off from Rancho Murrieta going to Bakersfield. Could I have flight following, please?
Cessna 4 Tango Mike, standby beacon code, Sacramento altimeter to 3005.
3005 standing by.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, you're ready to contact 5 miles southwest of Placerville Airport, altitude, and get your cruise altitude.
Say again for 0 Sierra Papa, sorry.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, Sacramento altimeter 3006, say altitude and your cruise altitude to radar contact.
3006, altitude is 4,900, cruise altitude 6,500.
0 Sierra Papa, roger.
124.8-73.
Spread 460 to average speed of 200.
Well, 200, really. 460. good afternoon, NORCAL, Answer 414 Echo Echo.
Answer 414 Echo Echo, NORCAL approach.
Yes, sir. We are 25 miles to the northeast of San Carlos, looking to cross into Class Charlie en route.
Answer 4 Echo Echo en route to where?
From San Carlos, we're going to San Carlos.
Answer 4 Echo Echo, are you requesting a bay tour?
Negative. We are on a cruise flight from Truckee to San Carlos. We are going to San Carlos Airport for a landing.
Spirit 469 Airport, sir.
Your step done.
Spirit 469 following regional jet 12 o'clock, 4 miles, 3,300.
Have a look in Spirit 469.
Dallas 4452, contact Oakland Tower 127.2, have a good day.
2072, CS, Gus 4452.
Answer 4 Echo Echo, same position, ident.
Again, we are 2 miles to the northeast of San Carlos. We're roughly 6 miles to the west of Livermore. We are en route to San Carlos, identity.
Answer 4 Echo Echo, squawk 0340.
0340.
469 to center maintain 3,000, the regional jets 2 o'clock, 3 miles, just over the toll plaza, 2,600.
Down to 3,000, look at Spirit 469.
Answer 4 Echo Echo, radar contact Oakland altimeter 2, correction 3008.
3008, thank you.
November 0 Sierra Papa, contact Palo Alto Tower, have a good day.
Going to tower, 0 Sierra Papa, thanks for your help.
Spirit 469, report Oakland Airport inside 1 o'clock.
Romeo.
Palo Alto Tower, information Romeo, time 1947 Zulu, wind 340 at 8, visibility 10, skies clear, temperature 16, dew point missing, altimeter 3007, landing and departing runway 31, GPS approach in use. Use caution in and around the vicinity of the airport for bird activity. Rebag hold short instructions and runway assignment. Advise ground control of departure request. Advise on initial contact.
Palo Alto Tower, Cessna 850 Sierra Papa at Leslie Slope, inbound with Romeo.
Cessna 850 Sierra Papa, Palo Tower, make right traffic runway 31 via KGO.
Right traffic for 31 via KGO, 0 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, traffic at your 12 to 1 o'clock, same direction as the Cessna, we're flying then, Dumbarton on a bridge at above 1,500.
Looking 0 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 04 uniform, runway 31, taxi back by the parallel each time this frequency, advise termination.
04 uniform, I think I will terminate back to the hangar, thanks.
04 uniform, roger, contact ground.
Contact ground, 04 uniform, thanks.
162 Hotel Golf is KGO, landing Romeo. Cessna 162 Hotel Golf, Palo Alto Tower, say your position. We're slightly south of KGO. That's 162 Hotel Golf, Palo Alto Tower, just verify you're at 800? Correct. Cessna 2 Hotel Golf, roger, observe you cross in Dumbarton on a bridge, and then right down runway 31. 162 Hotel Golf, thank you. Cessna 2 Hotel Golf, enable ident. Ident.
Palo Alto Tower, Cessna 101 Golf Romeo, head to Knoll, inbound with Romeo.
Cessna 101 Golf Romeo, Palo Alto Tower, ident, make right traffic runway 31.
Right traffic 31, 101 Golf Romeo.
Cessna 910 Whiskey altitude discretion before you go traffic at 10 to 11 o'clock flying towards KGO. Cessna altitude indicates 2,100.
Looking for traffic, 65 at 8 Whiskey.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, enter in on the normal right 45.
Okay, enter the normal right to 45, 0 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 2 Hotel Golf number 1, runway 31, clear to land. Number 131, clear to land. Goes cross Delta.
Papa Tower, this is Cessna 737 Zulu Delta, slash, or actually, we're just a little bit south of Woodside Landing with Romeo.
So 737 Zulu Delta, Palo Alto Tower, ident, make left traffic runway 31.
Ident, that's going to be left-hand traffic for runway 31, so Zulu Delta.
Cessna 2 Hotel Golf, number 1, runway 31, clear to land.
Number 1, clear to land, 162 Hotel Golf.
Cessna Tango Whiskey, Palo Alto Tower, please change approved.
Frequency change approved, 65 Tango Whiskey. Good day.
Cessna 1 Golf Romeo, ident again, I missed it.
1 Golf Romeo.
Cessna 1 Golf Romeo, ident, observe traffic at your 11 to 12 o'clock, opposite direction, 5 miles, altitude indicates 2000 type Cessna.
101 Golf Romeo is looking.
The ground, Cessna 16894, ready at 31.
Cessna 16894, Palo Alto Tower.
Traffic 1 o'clock and a mile, slightly eastbound up to indicate 2,900. Delta traffic slow to 1 o'clock and a mile, maneuvering altitude indicates 2,800.
Cessna 737 Zulu Delta, Palo Alto Tower.
737 Zulu Delta is with you.
737 Zulu Delta traffic ahead at your right, quarter mile maneuvering, appears to be southeastbound, indicates 2,600.
Okay, we're a little below that, but we're looking Cessna 7 Zulu Delta.
Cessna 7 Zulu Delta, roger, and suggest your descent to pattern altitude.
Okay, 7 Zulu Delta, I'll bring it down to 1,500 first.
Cessna 905 X-ray traffic, 1 to 2 o'clock, inbound to the left 45. Altitude indicates 2,000 descending as a Cessna.
Okay, I got him on TCAS, we're looking 905 X-ray.
Cessna 0 Sierra Papa, number 1, runway 31, clear to land.
Number 131, 0 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 2 Hotel Golf on the parallel contact ground.
2 Hotel Golf.
Cessna 7 Zulu Delta traffic at your 12 o'clock, 1.5 miles southbound, altitude indicates 1,600.
Looking to 7 Zulu Delta. Papa Tower, Cessna 16894, ready 31.
894, runway 31, clear for takeoff, traffic right base.
Clear for takeoff, 8904.
Tower 905X, we're on station over Stanford, the orbiting right-hand turns, and I'm showing two targets on the right.
Cessna 905 X-ray traffic, 1.5 miles southwest of your position, altitude indicates 2,000, type unknown.
Yeah, we're looking at them on the TCAS. We'll maintain separation as best possible.
Alpha Tower, good afternoon, Cirrus 811, Lima Tango, sending through 2,600 Romeo.
Cirrus 811 Lima Tango, Palo Alto Tower, make sure in runway 31.
Straight in for 31, Cirrus 1 Lima Tango.
Cirrus 1 Lima Tango, keep your speed up, number 2, traffic short final runway 31, clear to land.
Roger, keeping the speed up, number 2, clear to land, 31, Cirrus 1 Lima Tango. Palo Alto Tower, good afternoon, helicopter 73286 to beam to Dunbar Control Plaza for an auto bridge crossing. Left 101 downwind to the grass side of the helipad.
Helicopter calling, say your call sign only.
Helicopter 73286.
Helicopter 73286, Palo 23005, transition on Dunbar and auto bridge out above 1,500 for left traffic to the spot.
286 disabled, could we do that low level at 600?
Helicopter 286, proceed as question.
286.
Cessna 1 Golf Romeo, safe position.
1 Golf Romeo is 5 miles from the airport.
Cessna 1 Golf Romeo, roger, ident.
1 Golf Romeo.
Cessna 7 Zulu Delta, can you turn base now?
7 Zulu Delta, I can do that.
Cessna 7 Zulu Delta, make short approach inside, 2 miles straight in final, number 1, runway 31, clear to land.
Number 1, clear to land, so 7 Zulu Delta.